Oh, Diski Parliament, my people, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another episode here on Diski Parliament. We have two members of Diski Parliament today. My name is Siyabonga Shabang, and I'm with my colleague here, Masimthembe Jordan. Folks,
Hey folks,
kanjani folks?
Ngalonga folks.
Ngithini ngesixhosa folks, awubulise baview bethu, nithi kuthiwani ngesixhosa folks?
Senibulise babukeli emakhaya. Diski Parliament lena sibuyile kwakhona. Sazoniphakela nje indaba ngobunjalo baso.
Yeah, satoniphakela njalo bakhe. Yabona la sihlala ngawo onke balanguage lowafuna.
Yeah.
Kwasa. So lena iDiski Parliament bafethu, we talk about anything and everything diski related. And bafethu, before siqhubeke ngifuna nje kucela ifavor leyi-1. Just one small favor. To you it will look very small, yabo, but to us as iDiski Parliament it's something huge, yabo. Sicela nje bafethu, before sicale lihlelo lanamuhla, if you can please like the video, we will really appreciate that. That like means a lot, yabo. Liyasinceda ukuthi sikhule, liyasinceda ukuthi siqhubeke sinishaya ngalama update la Diski Parliament lesinishaya ngawo, and do what we love, which is talking about football. Angathi kumbe khona le nguyishiyako.
Yeah, your folks. Like subscribe lapha ku YouTube, please guys.
Folks babeke ukuthi namhla yini lesikhuluma ngayo. Yini lesihlanganisa.
Kahle namhlanje sizawufocus kakhulu ku potential starting lineups says team for the upcoming season.
That's if
the rumors are true.
The news,
yeah,
everything is true.
Yeah.
I know it's exciting. I think maybe uma nje singaqala nge-team lethola i-second star.
Yeah,
which is
second star.
Correct.
Number one rankings.
Sundowns, yeah.
Number one
That's
Sundowns. Otherwise, congratulations
to Mamelodi Sundowns for their second star. Well deserved, bafethu. Well deserved. The Sundowns.
It's smelling the
country. They are going back to playing in the Club World Cup. As deservingly so. And into lengayithandi ngeSundowns le ndethini Orlando Pirates lokuwina kwabo star kusende thina sayo kumele sudlalela qualify la group stages lento le ayiphathi kahle
But how ngoba sengithi sibalekile le route lena sifika
kumele sibuyele siyodlalela qualify.
Mara
But this time around so qualifier, because what I've seen Orlando Pirates doing ngala sign up is bakhuphula i-depth squad.
Yeah, what heavy sizokwazi ukuthi sicope.
Exactly. And uyayathi philosophy yawo. Not i-team winning and player leli one.
Yeah.
Team i-winner
with goals everywhere.
Players.
Yeah.
You must be able to ukuthi untshintshe ufake izibanibani igame in the tactics wayo. Yeah, one. But otherwise, let's get to the business of the day. Mamelodi Sundowns. Mokubuka kwakho. Uyibona imisa njani upcoming season just in terms of lineup.
Andiyibuka Sundowns indlela ezawudlala ngayo next season folks. Ayihlukanga kakhulu kwindlela ibidlala ngayo last season, but I think coach Cardoso beke manage iphana pha ayichintshe kakhulu lineup yakho end up esike dlala iDiamonds dlala, but for information ye 4-2-3-1 iSundowns obvious goalkeeper uRonwen Williams, no doubt,
obvious
oko ayimela so no doubt. Left back Obromodiba, right back Khuliso Mudau. Ayiqoqi nje lona. But now nansi ke ngoy talking point, two center backs, right center back, left center back.
Yeah, and we must also take into consideration Odisa.
Yeah. So if the rumors are true, the left center back is about Odisanda, and then the right center back is about Cupid. Yes.
Ndamane.
Ndamane, he's a very, very good player, but I think at some point, when the mistakes has needs. if uyayibukela igame kaNdamane you could see ukuthi oh wow mistakes zakhe
kule same level nabo Sibisi.
Yeah, because no Sibisi bayakwazi udlala 90 minutes full, but at last akwenzele enye mistake ongakangwe ilindele concede goal so yeah and then so he plays njalo because bakhosli kakhulu so uNdano no Creepy in that center back pairing they can deliver a lot for Mamelodi Sundowns.
Okay, then phakathi enkabeni yemhlaba general ungana.
So now we are coming deep to midfield now. I think they will have two pivots. I think it's going to be Tebogo Mokoena and Marcelo Allende. Okay. If badlala ngoTebogo Mokoena no Marcelo Allende, akhombela ifumana no ball in that midfielder because Allende he can detect itempo ye game. Ayazi okay ngoku kumele sinyuse igame, kumele si cool down igame and then Tebogo Mokoena nje okwakhe box to box. Uyalena le une energy mase Tebogo Mokoena box to box. Phambi kwabo in that number 10 role they will have Nuno Santos. Imagine. Just imagine. Just imagine, folks, that if they are playing Tebogo Mokoena behind Nuno Santos, there is also Allende with the pass. A last baller for 90 minutes. A couple lahlwa Allende. Marcelo Allende une 90 minutes has dlalile folks without losing the position.
And a pass 100%.
Pass 100%. Trap pass. 10 pass. 90 minutes without losing the ball. Imagine if you have that type of a player. Marcelo Allende is very, very underrated in this.
And lapho upenze umperena na Mokoena box
to box. Anytime he can score.
Solid. Anytime makafika phambili, and he also has a power shot.
Yeah.
So
sometimes they are very, 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 very.
Then on the wingers.
So on the wingers, on the right hand side, we have Lucas Ribeiro. Okay.
And
Lucas Costa Ribeiro.
To the club, he will be back doing medicals as
as things stand. He's in Johannesburg doing for medicals. But folks, I'm wondering who's gonna stop this Mamelodi Sundowns next season.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough.
It's gonna be tough, very tough.
Striker obvious.
So forward on the left hand side, they will have the new player from SV, but he also played for Stellenbosch FC. It's called Van Wyk. Van Wyk.
Okay. So he will be on the
left hand side. He's got pace.
Okay.
He's got powerful shot.
Where is he from? Nationality?
South Africa.
Okay.
Yes, he played for Stellenbosch, I think for maybe 3 seasons or 2 seasons. And then he got a move to Belgium.
Okay, so experience Belgium.
He's
Belgian Pro League.
Yes.
Okay.
It's Belgium or Netherlands, between Belgium and Netherlands. I'll do my research.
Yeah. And please do just fact check us there, please.
Yeah. So he's a very good player, Van Wyk. Very, very good player. You will see him.
Okay.
Up front.
Obviously, I discuss.
No discussion about that. I closed that. Leon.
And this time around, this coming season, I feel like Mamelodi because Lokchitalo is season
imagine this player. Ufike isizini ngo-half, but he was already chasing the golden boot. Imagine. Now uyofumana a full season, and I'm worried, folks.
Sisenkingeni, folks. I'm worried, folks. I'm worried, folks. Leon is going to give us a big problem. Lapha go attack. We are into some trouble.
So imagine now you are having players fana no Sales ebenchini o Matthews on Nthabeleng, Themba Zwane,
All those are quality. You replace
quality players.
Star.
Quality players, folks. So nje lena season yeah,
It's gonna
whoever ozawina le league this season uzayilwela, folks.
It's gonna be war. Let's move to Kaizer Chiefs.
Kaizer Chiefs.